Number 12, we're asked to determine how the triangles can be proved similar. So if you look at our picture, the first thing I notice is that these two triangles have vertical angles. So I'm actually going to mark those. So they have a pair of corresponding angles, but there's no way to show another pair of corresponding angles because we don't have any parallel lines. So I could cross out angle, angle. And really, between the last two options to show that they're similar, you can actually use either or. You can use side, side, side because we're given all three sides of each triangle, or to kind of cut down your work a little bit because we just showed a pair of corresponding angles, you could look for side angle side. So for side angle side, we already have our pair of corresponding angles. We just need to show that the side lengths in between that angle, those are proportional. So we only need these two numbers of the first triangle and these two numbers of the second triangle. So remember, to set up your equal ratio, there's different options. I always use the same idea, that I pick a triangle, say for instance the smaller one, and list the numbers from smallest to largest, and those go up top in the numerator. So 10 is the smallest, 12 is the largest. Then I look at the second triangle and do the exact same thing. The smallest side is 18, the larger is 21. So from here, we need to decide whether these are equal. There's a couple options. You can cross multiply right away. You can simplify the fractions. If I choose to simplify the fractions, I could divide 10 and 18 by 2, so that gets me 5/9. And I could divide 12 and 21 by 3, so that gets me 4/7. And now if I cross multiply, which I could have done from the beginning, but sometimes it's easiest to divide and see if they match right away. Cross multiplying right away, 9 times 4 is 36. Bringing down your equal sign, I already saw the numbers were pretty small to identify. 5 times 7 is 35. We do not get equal ratios here. So 36 is definitely not equal to 35. So if we do not have the same scale factor, equal ratios, then these are not similar.